Hello students, welcome to the class of English again, and today we will do the exercise pages of unit number 3. So the exercise starts with the question and answers. First of all, there is a question, what came into a village? So I already told you that in the very first line it's written that an elephant was wandering in the village. So you will write in the book that an elephant came into the village. Then the second question is, had the villagers seen an elephant before? No, they haven't seen an elephant before. What did the villagers want to do? So you have to write the answer in this line. Who had a good idea? Again you have to write the answer. Who had a good idea? Question number 5. Where did the elephant go? 6. What happened with the stones? So you all have to write the answers in these lines on your book. Then there is an exercise of true and false. So you have to write true in front of the true statement, and you have to cross the statement if it's wrong. The elephant was very big. True. The people were surprised. True. They put him on a scale. No, it is wrong. The girl had a good idea. Right. Then you have to find the word for the word in the table, like a difficulty. Difficulty is always a problem. Small town. So what is the small town called? You have to write the word. Then for wing, you have to write what? What will come? Small rocks. Then what are the small rocks called? So you have to write these words. Then there are the spelling scramble. You have to make a word with these jumbled spellings, like HNEEPTAL. So this is elephant. NSTSOE. What will be the word? Stones. ILMAAN LLVIAEG. So the words will be written in the blocks. On the next page there is the pattern of writing a letter, and they are given you the way how to write a letter. So first of all you have to write the address on which you are posting the letter. Then after that you have to write your name and address and all these things. So this is basically a pattern of writing a letter. Then on page number 17 there is a comprehension. Find the words in the list that mean the same as those in the table. You people already have done words synonyms, the words which are the meanings which are having the same meanings, like fantastic. Fantastic means superb. Awful. Awful means the word is already written in the block. Unlucky, caring, generous. You have to match the words which are in the blocks and you will write it in the table. Then exercise B is vocabulary. Bring the odd one out in the each list. Dolphin, whale, shark, tuna and salmon. These are all fish. One thing is odd, that is donkey. Then grass, door, floor, window, ceiling, shelf. All are same except grass. So you people have to ring the odd one out. Exercise C is word structure. You people have done this before, like from the starting letters you have to write the word. NT. NT comes in the end. You have to write the words that come in the end with these letters, like
Welcome
NT,
students to the
pant.
new class of
The
English.
second word will
Today
be
we are going
ant.
to do our unit
Then
number 4,
NT word,
that is biscuits.
grant.
From
So
the
you
start,
have
you
to
can
write the
see
words in
picture
which
of a
the
farm.
ending letters will be
This picture
NT.
there is a farmer
Then
and a
we have
beautiful cow
exercise D,
with him.
story.
So we will
Lines.
start the
So
reading.
you have to
long
use these
ago,
words in the
many
block
people
above,
lived
and
on
you have to
farms
fill in the
and
blanks.
food was grown
Then
and
teaser
came
time,
from the
you have to
farmyard.
make 10
So
words
we are
from the word
shown
elephant.
from the very start
So
that most
these
of
are
the
very
people
easy.
long ago they lived on farms.
Then
and
you
they,
have the
they got
exercise
their
checkup
food from
on
farms
page
and
number
they
18.
used to grow
First
their
of all,
foods
you have to
in their
write the
farms.
words
And
that
they
match
used
the
to get
description.
everything from
Words
the farms,
beginning
like
with
milk,
E. So So you
cream,
will all
butter
write the
and
words
eggs.
that begin with
It all
E.
came
You
from
see
their
with
own
these.
farm.
So
Potatoes and
eyes
vegetables
come
were
here.
grown on
Arrive
the land.
ahead of time.
They used to grow
Early.
potatoes and vegetables
Animal with
in
the
their
trunk.
own lands.
Elephant.
People
and
would
so
kill
on.
their
So
own
you have
sheep
to
or
fill
chickens
these
or go
exercises.
fishing.
Then
if they
comprehension.
lived near the sea.
Bring the
So
closest
what
meaning
happened?
for
They
each
used
word.
to kill
Vendor.
their sheep and
Vendered
chickens
means
for
walked.
their
So
lunch or
shivered
dinner,
will be
or
crossed
if
and
they
vendered
would live
walk
near
will
the
be
sea,
ranked.
they would go for
Problem.
fishing for their
Problem.
dinner. So
Cl-
there were
closest
no
meaning
big
is
supermarkets.
difficulty and
Instead,
solution is
the
odd
grocer
one
would
and so on.
stock
Then
big
there
bags
is a
of flour
exercise
and sugar
that is
and
grammar.
tea.
Underline the two
So
extra
people
words
did not
in each sentence.
go to the
So you have to
supermarkets
cross
for
or
groceries.
underline the words
Even
that
the
are
grocer
extra.
would come
The
to their
clouds
homes
move
and
slowly
he would deliver
under,
flour,
across,
sugar and
the
tea.
sky.
The grocer
So
would
under
deliver
and
most
the
orders.
are the
Everything was home
extra words.
cooked.
You have to cross
Bread,
them out.
scones,
I hope
and
you
lovely
got these
apple
exercises
tarts.
very well.
Now
And
what
you
are the
will do
scones?
these exercises
Scones are
by your
small,
own
unsweetened
in your book.
things
Thank you so
and
much.
lovely apple tarts. Apple tarts are small cake which are made from flour and milk. Then we are having the biscuits. Now what are the biscuits? Biscuits were a real treat, never bought in a packet but made at home. Nowadays you people, if you want to eat the biscuits, you have the packets in your markets and you buy that packets and you have the biscuits. But long ago people used to make that biscuits in their own bakeries. Here is a very simple recipe for biscuits. So these biscuits are easy to make because there are just 4 ingredients and the same amount of each one. Sometimes people make simple mistakes. It is important to have the butter soft. Leave it out of the fridge for a while. Then make sure the oven is at the correct temperature before the biscuits go in. So what you have to do, there are only 4 ingredients in making a biscuits. So first of all you have to soften the butter, then make sure that oven is preheated. Then don't forget about the biscuits or they will burn. After, when you make the dough of the biscuits and you keep the tray of that dough in the oven, make sure that you manage the time or you will burn your biscuits. Then take them out when they are a nice golden color and give them 5 minutes to rest before taking them off the tray. What are the 4 ingredients in making the biscuits? First of all we need butter, then we need sugar, then almonds, raising flour, and if you want to add some cherries then you will cut the cherries and uh, add them as a decoration. Then preheat the oven at 190 degrees centigrade. But before making the dough you have to grease the tray. There are few instructions in making the biscuits. Mix butter and sugar. Mix in ground almonds. If you want to add the almonds you have to grind them out. Then you will add the almonds. Mix in sifted flour. Sifted flour is soft flour. Then roll in small balls. Place the biscuits on the tray. Place cherries on biscuits. Bake for about 12 minutes. Then you will have the delicious biscuits as your meal. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the lesson.